Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to create a ledger in Tally Prime. First, open Tally Prime and go to the gateway of Tally. From there, select the Create option. Next, under Accounting Masters, choose Ledger. This will open the ledger creation screen where you can begin entering details. Remember to give your ledger a clear and descriptive name for easy identification later on. After naming your ledger, you will need to assign it to a suitable group. This is crucial for accurate reporting and financial analysis. For instance, a customer ledger would go under Sundry Debtors. You can also add an alias for faster searching. If it is a party ledger, fill in the mailing details like address and contact information. Decide if inventory values are affected by this ledger. If you are migrating existing data, enter the opening balance for the ledger. Be sure to correctly specify whether it is a debit or credit balance. For bank accounts, input the bank name, account number, and IFS code. For ledgers subject to taxation like a customer or supplier, enter their goods and services tax identification number or GSTIN and other relevant tax information. Once all the necessary details are entered, simply press the Enter key repeatedly until you reach the Accept, Yes or No prompt, then press Y to save your new ledger. You can verify its creation by going to the chart of accounts and selecting ledgers. If you need to make any changes, use the Alter option. Always double-check your entries for accuracy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.